Okay guys, let's go through some review over solving with absolute values. So remember, our big thing on Friday was that when we were dealing with these, we have to have the absolute value by itself. So you can tell by looking at this one, absolute value is by itself. As soon as it is, we're going to do two branches. So the first time through, we drop the absolute value bars and you get everything else. So 4p equals 16. I'm going to add my OR. And then when I do the next one, remember it can equal positive 16 or negative 16. So we're going to do 4p equals negative 16. Now our job is to go through and just get p by itself. So divide both sides by 4. You get p equals 4. I'm going to bring my word OR down. On the other side, I'm going to do the same thing to get p by itself. I'm going to divide it by 4. So I end up with p equals negative 4. So your answer is both of those. P equals 4 or p equals negative 4. Now it is important that that word OR is there. It cannot be and, it has to be OR. Okay, let's look at one that's got a little bit more of an equation. So on this one, even though there's more inside the absolute value, you can see the absolute value is still by itself on one side of the equal. So I'm going to make my two branches. First side, all I'm going to do is drop the absolute values and bring everything else down. So exact same equation except no absolute value bars. I'm going to add my word OR. And then this next time, instead of positive 12, I'm going to make it negative 12. And then we're going to go through and continue to solve. So to get x by itself, I'm going to subtract 3. So I have negative 3x equals 9. And then I'm going to divide by negative 3. So I get x equals negative 3. Bringing my OR down. Now, if I continue on the other side, subtract 3. So I have negative 3x equals negative 15. Divide both sides by negative 3. I get x equals 5. Okay, go over the ones in